Google just releases Nano Banana, which is one of the best and powerful AI generative model ever exist. You can create a great thumbnail, a great copy of ads, and a lot more. It can create ads, remove, and so beyond. So this tool might replace your excess job. Maybe. Let's do it. Okay, let's get it started. We have to go to Google AI Studio. Just simple click. And you can start with this chat, but the most interesting thing is here is build. So you can see a lot of interfaces here, but I like most the pic shop. So the pic shop really does is just you can remove a specific part of your pictures. So for example, you upload an image here. Let's upload it and make it full screen. You can just click a specific part and you can edit, you can add, you can remove, and a lot more you can do that. For example, I just remove the window, for example. Just let's see what does it make. And the interesting thing is really super fast compared to any other LLM models. I tried out Sora, Grok, and a lot more, but this is super fast. Let's wear Michael Jackson jacket. Oh my god, this is absolutely pretty insane. Look at that. There is nothing to understand edited by AI. So this is pretty amazing to see that. If you wanted to change the haircut, you can also make it. So I just wanted to make it long hair. Make it long hair. With the more specific you prompt, the better the result, the better the outcomes you can get. So I just wanted to get gray color. Okay, just look at that. This one, factorials. Oh my god, this is absolutely remarkable. And you can also crop the image and adjust that, and you can enhance and many other tools here, the filters that make your enemy or something, and you can also do it by your own, and you can do your specific prompt here. This is my enemy. This is absolutely superb. Let's try it another features of home canvas. This is one of my favorites. So you can create a products, or you can create copy of ads or something. That is absolutely insane to do that. I just playing with few days back and I was really astonished to see that. Let's upload a scene here. Just I took Bill Gates and this one. So what you can do, you can drag the product anywhere you want. In this case, I just wanted to see the product of this billboard or something. Oh my god, this is absolutely insane. Look at the product. You can also change the product or change the scenario we really want. So I just tried out a different bunch of stuff. I just wanted to pick the product here. Just look at that. Oh my gosh, this is unstoppable. You can also take different types of products or different types of things and create a one images. This is pretty insane. So this is Zoom booth. You can took the pictures. My web camera is not really good right now, I guess. You can create your Renaissance, your cartoon, or whatever you want. It's quite well to see because it's not, my camera is not well, but it's also still does really well. Look at that's another one, my cartoon, and I am gonna see the statue of that. You can also try out everything. This is my cartoon, and just try out statue. Here you go. Oh my god, this is absolutely insane. AI is comes to play, and right now another tool, another features, I really love it. It can make different eras of photos of yours. So different past. Take a picture, just generate. This is 1970s photo. It's still loading. This is 20s photo. This is 1970, this one, whatever. 1950s photo. If I were born in 1950s, so I will look like this. It's 1970s photo. Look at that. This one, 1990s. This is really amazing. So this one is cool, like 2000s. I love this. This one is 1980s, super to see that. And this one is 1916, very pretty innocent to see that. And you can also download. So this one is looks pretty, so I'm gonna download it. You can also just try out by different chatting. I'm gonna take these pictures. You can also create YouTube thumbnail with these. Try a different bunch of stuff. Let's go to Space Office and see what Elon Musk do. This is Elon Musk SpaceX office. I don't know exactly how it looks like of Elon Musk's office, but it's still pretty well. Okay, just put a logo. I didn't mention on my t-shirt, so I have to put like this is t-shirt. The more details you put, the better result you will get. You can put different prompt until you get your desired result. You can also see the same picture in a different angle. So this one is created a SpaceX logo. So I don't know, this prompt is not really well. I have to learn more about prompt engineering maybe. Oh my god, this is pretty insane, and it's also create my hair and this and absolutely amazing. So let's bring Elon Musk. Let's see what it create. Oh my gosh, it also brings Elon Musk. Oh my god, this is pretty insane, and it's almost real. It's just almost real, and it is absolutely insane. So you can just play with AI and give it specific details, and it will give you more better outcomes. I think you got the points, and you can also do different amazing stuff with this. I start with this and it end up with this one. So this tutorial, I'm gonna end up with that, and I can give you a little bit more stuff you can do. You can go to shirt, t-shirt or pant or something. You can wear this. You can just took a screenshot, give it to it, just I wanna wear this, and this will make exactly what you really want. So I am just gonna give you a quick example. Took the same picture, and you can just put here so you can also write wear me this t-shirt or whatever you want. You can also ask to this AI model, so what is the appropriate right to wear this. So this is pretty insane, and you can also add a shoes or something, whatever. Look at that. This has been created. It's almost real, and I just give it to a screenshot, and its result is like this. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. Hello, it's Gazi here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna cover Gemini 3.0, which is another insane tool. So before that, we just covered 2.5 Flash. So right now we're gonna cover Gemini 3.0 and its best use cases as well. So today we're gonna cover 3 dramatic things in order to use these tools. So first, we're gonna build some random ideas from MVP, even if I don't know what gonna build. And second, we're gonna just took an idea from the best platform, ideabrowser.com, and build this MVP. And third, we're gonna build our existing ideas. For example, if you have any existing business, how can you improve that business? So we're gonna cover that. So there are the 3 major use cases we're gonna cover. So I hope this is gonna be a very exciting video. So let's get started. Let's get it started. All we have to do is go to ChatGPT first. So I just wanted to get some random ideas and try to build it up. Give me an startup idea that will be funny to build. Let's get a very funny startup idea from here. Backup idea, breakup buddy, and AI breakups for you, and because of the emotional damage is expensive, let it handle it. So right, I don't want it to get the prompt. Give me the best prompt to build this. Okay, we will get the prompt. Prompt has been given me. There is a super big prompt. I don't know what is given, but I don't want it to read fully. It has been given me let's took that up from until this copy, and then you can go Gemini or you can go to Google AI Studio. So for this use case, I will go to Google AI Studio and I will build this. Okay, so these are same, but Google AI Studio has more great features, so I would like to use this, paste it up here, and I gonna just wanted to build. And you don't need to do anything at all. It will build this app and serve you in front of you. Very easy. So entrepreneurship is become very easy if you have the right idea, and you can build whatever put in your mind and getting the MVP. So it's thinking. It will take a bit of time to build this. So I have to wait for that. Can check the code here. What the code has been written, and then you can go to preview. Preview will give you the product that has been made, and there is also the device versions. Like after getting the MVP or product, you can testify through what's look like on mobile, or what's look like on tablet, or what's look like on current size here. You can see that. Okay, we got our products. So it's pretty amazing to see that, just getting the prompt and getting the result from here. So look at that. It's quite interesting. So be ready to be single and the world's first AI breakup assistance. So generated edu can work. Who are you dumping? Okay, let's write my ex. I write it down. Why be honest? She is too bad-minded. Generate breakup or something. So my ex really difficult to say, but I have come. Message is I'm come to realize our path. Just it will give you really gentle message how to do break up your girlfriend. So there is a relationship audit here. So freaking thought crime, incident, and balloting or something. These are the things has happened. So let's take another thing. So my girlfriend is really amazing and funny and mean, savage. Let's generate the 7K savage. Oh, my girlfriend, you bad vibes are dragging me down more than any data plan. It is quite amazing to see that how you can break up with your girlfriend with these messages here. So roasted my ex. Let's roast it. It's totally interactive, and let's do full screen here. So there is ex quality. So what is she is black. So let's write she's black. Black color maybe gonna be better. Okay, she likes my ex is black. All right, like a whole my bank account become. So this is absolutely amazing tool. You can also write something. She likes food. Likes food. Okay, yes. She likes food. Yeah. I bet her most committed relationship was the pizza delivery guy. You can also see the history here. So could you imagine that how far we came here? So if you got this idea and give it to a developer, and it will take more than 3 or 5 months to build this kind. There is a healing hub here. The information I'm worthy of love and happiness, and the new chapter is all about. So there is a today's missions, cry out and cheesy non-wrong growth. Then there is a go out missions, and regrain plan is here. It's not recommending 5 or here. This is not working here, I guess. Okay, just break up. You can also generally breakup as well. There is a praise. It's not you, it's my aura. And you can also add feature as well. Let's see the tablet here, and you can also go to mobile, and this is gonna be looks like on mobile. So let's generate something you want it to, or you don't want it to, like that. You can also add or remove from that. So I like to add some new features, like I would like to add new feature such as finding new partner. Can you build this? Let's see what it added here. So I'm quite excited about it. So you can also download and save it to GitHub as well. We're gonna cover in the upcoming days how could we deploy our apps and make it available for the world in a second. So just see that what it builds. Yes, error have been solved. So manifest next partner. So there is what you are looking for. I want a girl who is cute and generous. So absolute deal breakers. So absolute deal breaker is having boyfriend. Okay, find my soulmate, or less will it make it happen or not. So here is find out. So the learner is travel. I'm 28 years old, freelance memo and curious, ethical and AI whisperer. I spend my days. These are the things you can really use. And are you an organic avocado because you look right for a good conversation? Pickup lines is also suggest a pickup lines as well. So you can also edit files if you like. If you don't like the design, I don't know, you can also add some little bit of new things. For example, if you don't like this here, or if you don't like that, where you can find them. If you don't like this one, you can also add the features, like I can edit here and add to the chart. Can you put contact sections of her, like how do I contact with him or her? You can also see that here is not my tribe tie again. You can also like cute and web developer, find my soulmate. So we also adding a new features we want to try. So let's get it started here. Here we go. There's Kevin, 27 years old, front engineer, especially in React and JS. Oh my god, that is absolutely amazing. So okay, let's add these sections here. Let's see what it builds. We're adding new feature actually. So it's quite amazing tool. Like you can do breakup from here. You can find a new partner, can roast your eggs. I never seen before the power of any LLMs before, and it also can create new type of features that you really want. So that's quite amazing. So if you remove this one, you can also, I think you got the point. Sometimes it's not work all the time, and you can also edit this. Can you make this responsible? What are the things you think would be great at by your own? So you can edit, and you can rework with that. So I think it's a great tool to use and build something cool. And right now we just wanted to add new features by its own. I think it will build something cool, I guess. Okay, it also added some new features, and it will let me know where it has changes. There you go, and let's see what happens. So let's find my soulmate. She will be doctor and with good sense of humor. Let's find it. Let's find it out. Joel, blended friend, is 32 years old, and it has added all the things like Instagram, Facebook, and email. What I really wanted to get. So this also gives you a pickup line as well. Like unbelievable power in this tool. So let's build something that actually matters right now. So we wanted to go to ideabrowser.com. Ideabrowser.com is basically a tool that give you idea, that give you idea based on trends, based on problem and pinpoint and everything you need to know. So there's this email spam filter. There's 12K volume. Growth rate is really high. So that is absolutely real moneymaker ideas. So I just wanted to build this idea. How cool? The best way to do that, you can copy and paste it randomly. That will build. So you can just nothing to do, and just copy and build this by that way. Even if you don't need to get the prompt, you can also just get through any LLMs and paste it up and say, give me the best prompt to build this idea. But I just wanted to do randomly here. I did this, paste it up, and nothing to say to Gemini. It will build this idea completely by its own. So the idea is the email lead recovery tools that resolve missed businesses inquiries from a spam folder. We're just gonna do that. Here we go. We have built it, just copy and paste it. Let's see what it builds in a single prompt. And even if we didn't, revenue projections overview, the real-time monitoring your spam folder, recovered revenue is absolutely astonishing. It's mind-blowing, I guess. You can't imagine. So spam risk, if there is no email found here, scan here, and it also interactive scanning spam folder. Oh my god, that is superb, I guess. That is superb. There is identity vision, leave seekers, and analytics. Look at that. Analytics here, advanced metrics module is coming soon. So there's not the settings are also here. The get integrations. This is absolutely insane. Another useful use is you can took a screenshot. For example, for me, Rebel Korea, it is my travel blog actually. All I can do, I can take a screenshot and ask for advice that where should I improve. For example, like this, I will take a screenshot and I say it to it. Let's go through started and attach the file, upload an image. Let's took this up and you can tell it that here is my existing business, which is my travel blog. What are the feature I can edit here and make the website more perfect in UI? Let's see. This is absolutely insane. This is unbelievably insane. Look at that. The suggestion that has been given, the unbelievable power has been here in. There is a truly absolutely amazing tool. There is a most explore with Gazi. So there is my text here. There is email subscriber. Yeah, that is absolutely amazing. It's better than my existing projects, I guess. Just look at that, my existing one, and look at that, what has been recommended like this. This is quite amazing and super insane. There is a generate my trip plan. I don't know, this is also maybe working like Soul. Generate my trip plan. This is also interactive. Oh wow, look at that, massive. This read my story here is not working. Okay, that's fine. Email address. This is super insane. This generate my trip and this like blog sections. I think that this is absolutely super. You should know that and you should use in that way. And the article tag and social and everything you need to know about it. I think you should playing with that and create some great products as well. I think this is super interesting. So we have covered 3 things. We have covered basic things, the most advanced 2 things. You can explore all of things we're not going to cover, but I guess this is the best use of Gemini 3.0. Thank you so much for watching this video.